Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all Indian liquid diet plan for weight loss. Now this diet plan will contain all the liquid items as your meal and will definitely help you cleanse your system very well. This diet plan can help you lose pretty good amount of weight from your body and will definitely contain all the goodness of nutrients, vitamins and minerals. So without any delay, let's get started with the Indian liquid diet plan for weight loss. Early morning, empty stomach. You will have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. Take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and add them in lukewarm water and have it warm. For your breakfast, you can have two options. Either you can prepare coffee with chia seeds. Now how to prepare this coffee? All you need is blend almond milk or low fat skim milk with 2 spoons of coffee in it and add the soaked chia seeds to it. For sweetness, you can even add stevia to it, but do not add any kind of sugar to it. And enjoy your coffee with chia seeds. It is very fuller as chia seeds contain loads and loads of fiber in them and will definitely keep you fuller for a longer time of the day. If you do not want to have that, you can also have fruit smoothie. Now you can prepare this fruit smoothie with any fruit of your own choice. Mango, pineapple, strawberries, apple, peach, any kind of fruit, with added yogurt and some water for the consistency. Now for sweetness, again you can add stevia, but I would not prefer to add any kind of sweetener to this because fruit itself contains lots and lots of sweet to it. And you can also add chia seeds to this smoothie as well and enjoy your fruit smoothie for your breakfast. Now after an hour of this breakfast, you will have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea. Have a big mug of green tea. Now it's time for your lunch. For your lunch, as usual, 15 minutes before your lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water again. It will not make your food stored in the intestines for longer time of the day and hence you'll flush out the excessive waste quickly. For your lunch, I'll give you again two options. First is vegetable or tomato soup, or you can have green juice. Now the recipe for my soups is already shared on my YouTube channel, so I'll link it down in the description box below. There are 3 recipes of soups: tomato soup, spinach soup or vegetable weight loss soup. So you can try any of these 3 recipes for soup. And if you want to have green juice, you will need 1 cucumber, half ghee or bottle gourd, grated ginger, some mint leaves fresh and 1 lemon squeezed. All you have to do is, if the cucumber is organic, just do not peel it off. Blend all these 5 ingredients together with some water added and enjoy your green juice. It is definitely very good for fat loss and will help you lose weight fast very easily. Try this green juice recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about it. Now, an hour after this lunch, you will have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea. If you don't want to have green tea, you can also have any these 3 tea options, that is apple cinnamon tea, peppermint tea, or you can also have this orange tea. You love having these 3 tea options in replacement of your green tea. The link to buy is in the description box below. You can buy these online very easily. Now, if you feel like having tea or coffee, an hour later this tea, you can have your own favorite tea or coffee but without added any kind of sugar to it. Now, for your dinner, I would prefer that you have a fresh fruit juice. Now, I personally prefer to have pineapple juice as my dinner, as first, it is a natural fat cutter and definitely cuts your fat like so quickly. Second, it keeps you fuller for the longer time of the night and boosts your metabolism to a very good level. So try having pineapple juice, 1 complete whole big mug, but without added any kind of salt or sugar to it. But if you do not want to have pineapple juice, you can also have the soup that you had in the lunch as well. Now before going to bed, do not forget to have your favorite cup of chamomile tea that will help you relax your nerves and boost your metabolism for the entire night. So have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. You can buy it in the description box below. Click the link. Do let me know in the comment section below your results of this diet plan and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. For personalized weight loss diet plans and transformations, mail me at eatmorelosemo7@gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to talk to you and help you out with your weight loss journey. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.